Hi all, welcome back to YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about Web Studio. So basically, like what actually this UiPath Web Studio, so how it works. So what is the major difference between the UiPath Studio and the UiPath Web Studios? You may be confused about these things, right? So to make very clear, so we are just going to plan a session in upcoming weeks about in detail about UiPath Web Studio, so how it works, how it is basically different between the UiPath Studio and then Web. So basically, like in general, so in UiPath Web Studio, so we'll be having a couple of templates, so which we can directly go here and pick, and then you can make utilize of those. Where in UiPath Studio, so you have to create everything from the scratch. Also, like you can in Web Studio, so you can able to create in your new own version. So also in UiPath Web Studio, so you can able to create your new own version as well. So along with that as add-on, so you can able to access the templates which is already over there, and then so you can able to create a multiple connectors so inside this Web Studio. So there is so many things which is behind this, so we are going to unlock one by one in our upcoming session. So how it basically works, how it debug points, how the like ML activities we are going to engage with your Web Studio. So each and everything we are going to discuss in our upcoming videos. I hope you will be very eager and you can learn more things from our upcoming session. Thank you, stay tuned.